Nao atongoria a ndini kaunti-inĩ ya Nandi morĩtie thirikari ĩrĩhe arutani mbeca iria mabatie kũrĩhwo cia kũrũgamĩrĩra kĩgeranio kĩa mwaka mũthiru. Maya mokĩte thutha wa arutani kũruta mũkana wa kũrega kũrũgamĩrĩra kĩgeranio kĩa mwaka ũyũ. Matongoretio nĩ mũthikabu wa kanitha wa Orthodox taũni-inĩ ya Eldoret, Neophytus Kongai. Atongoria ya a ndini
I should say, to give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Because we have come to learn that the Ministry of Education have not paid the teachers, those who are marking the exams. And now we are about to again do the exams, and this is really going to cause a lot of conflict. The question is, what is the problem? Give to those teachers who mark the exam what is their due, so that we don't have this kind of conflict that arises every now and then. There should be a constant budget that allocates resources for those who are marking the exam. And we need our children to do the exams and get their exams marked on time, because we have heard that there might be some strike. We don't want to go that direction. We want our children to do the exams, get their papers marked, and we get the results as parents.